In the corners, yeah. Get it all done. Yeah, I'm doing a good job. Yeah, it's gonna be a while. Let's take a look and see what's going on in here. Boy, that's pretty dirty. This one should work. Just a side note, if you're planning on doing this, just make sure it's okay if it's broken. So that's, you know what it's like. We break it, Mama ain't gonna be happy. But if you don't break it, maybe it means pie or something, or homemade pizza, or pierogies, or whatever you like. Day off from work. Maybe she'll get an extra job and then you won't have to work. Who knows? It's like... Anyway, of course, as always, make sure it's not plugged into anything. Just in case. Now I'm thinking it's... the belt's got a cog missing out of it, but I've been wrong before. Doesn't seem to want to come out, does it? Well, we'll come back to that in a minute. Is this one in here too, or is this just a... Is it just nothing? Enough of these screws, goodness. One there. Looks like this one way in here. Just looking in here, and it looks like there might be some screws in here too, but I just can't. Can't really see. Looking like some ants a little bit. Oh, my little dog's not gonna be happy about that noise. Will this come out? There's one. That was right, there's one here. Good thing I've got the magnet, because it doesn't seem to... Nothing in those. Do we have them all off? Oh, I'm thinking we do, but... Unless there's something special. Looks like we need to use a little bit of persuasion. Oh my. Is there something under here? No. Something under there? No. Well. I'm wondering if this clips. This almost looks like this got it clips on here a little bit, but you know what? I think this rubber may be hiding something, or not. I don't think so. I think it's just supposed to pop. Well, why aren't we popping? Well, maybe we have the right idea about this thing here. Oh, finally. It sure is dirty. Maybe we should try some more air. So that we don't actually push the dirt further in. Watch your eyes, everybody. Okay. Does this pop out here somehow? Let's look at the... So take a look at all these little cogs here, right? They run on this little piece here, because that's where there's more of them. As we spin it around here, I notice that right here, it must have stalled there and just chewed it out. So that's, it still kind of works, but I think every time it goes there, it goes ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Well, we'll just have to maybe get a different belt. Pull that baby off and we'll bring it to the belt shop. Yeah, sure looks like something's wrong right there. So I see there's a screw right in here. Called some kind of clamp down. Never had one of these apart before, so this is going to be interesting. Shouldn't really be a big deal, should it? Let's do one at the other end here. And this way, another little screw into the dirt right here. Hopefully there isn't some kind of a depth or something that we're messing around with. Okay. That side came out. What about this side? Sure. The side I need out is not going to come out, is it? Let's not break it now. Come on. Of course, this thing is only, it's about 35 years old. Anyway, there's the belt. As we see, there's a cog missing right on the other side of this. We'll go and get the belt and see if it's going to work. Came to look for mine here with all the grooves, and all they've got are these little guys here, and they're just a little bit too small. So plan B was to go to a guy that sells Electrolux parts from his home. And, well, he had a belt. It's a hair wider, but I'm hoping it's going to work. And he was very reasonable with me. So let's go and hook up. Again, goodness. Okay, so if you're doing them, put this on this side first and then slide that in there. Do the same with this side.